Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be doing a shop with me. I went to Homegoods and Hobby Lobby, and boy did they have a ton of beautiful Christmas decor out. The first store that we are in is Homegoods. They had a beautiful and very wide selection of dishes to set your table. I am loving everything that I am seeing here. These are also really cute to make little gift bags for people. You can add like some dry mixed like cookie mix and stuff like that and add it to like mixing bowls, and they just had a ton to choose from. I loved all of their Christmas kitchen decor as well, like their pot holders and their kitchen towels. There was just a huge selection of everything right now. This bowl was so adorable. This bowl would also look really pretty sitting underneath one of those KitchenAid mixers. You can just kind of decorate it with a little bit of holly around it or something. I was just really loving everything that I was seeing in here. And this year I am obsessed with the gold and whites. I think they look so beautiful together. So I will be doing a few decorating videos with a lot of those colors in my home.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind?
I am really obsessed with any type of vintage looking Christmas ornaments, and HomeGoods had a ton to choose from. I loved how they looked elegant and had that vintage antique style to them. I just really love that look for Christmas time, and these were so adorable. I usually go with more neutral colors, but I loved these little Christmas ornaments as well. I just love anything that looks antique and vintage. Like I said, I just really feel like it gives me that nostalgic feeling to Christmas time. These were also really beautiful. I love that champagne color, and I think these will look really pretty on a flocked Christmas tree. But the prices were really good, and I just loved them. I thought they were so pretty.
Sign, my dear, for old lang syne. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne.
Okay, so now we are in Hobby Lobby, and Hobby Lobby always has a massive selection of Christmas ornaments, and they can fit any type of decor style because the range is just so wide that they have in here. And they also had their Christmas tree displays up, and I almost bought this one, but I decided to hold off, and I ended up finding one on Amazon that I really liked, so I can't wait for that to get here, and I'm going to share with you how I decorate that. But these flocked trees are all on sale. All of their Christmas items are 40% off right now, and trust me when I say this, their Christmas trees do sell out extremely fast. So if you see one that you really like, I would not wait on it, but I loved these. They had a very lifelike snow look to them with the flocking, and they were just absolutely beautiful.
Kindness yet for all mankind, for all mankind.
So as I was in here shopping or looking around at all their Christmas decor, I was so in love with all of the gold colors. I'm definitely going to use that in my Christmas decorations this year. And I even thought about painting some of my existing decorations. That is another really good tip to do instead of going out and buying all kinds of new Christmas items. So I probably will share with you a few painting projects. I did end up picking up some paint in this store, and I will show you that later on in the video, but I can't wait to do some really fun crafting projects for the Christmas season.
And the stars up above are smiling when they see you holding me so near. I see snowflakes on the chimneys, and the candles have a certain glow. A secret and a song, even church bells sing along, and the children making angels in the snow. Oh, what a gift to be given. How lucky can this old heart be? And I fall into peace and silence on a very special Christmas Eve.
What I really love about some of these bigger pieces, these bigger ornaments, you can build them into a beautiful display on a tiered tray. You can also add them into a Christmas wreath. That is another project that I really want to do this year for Christmas, is make a really pretty Christmas wreath. And I'm not sure exactly how I want to do that, but as I was in here looking at everything, I was definitely getting a ton of ideas.
And the stars up above, they are shining with love, listening to this song playing on, listening to this song playing on.
Using these picks also is a really good idea if you want to add something more to your Christmas tree instead of adding extra ornaments. These also look really pretty on tiered trays as well. And I was loving this pillow. I love that vintage look, so I really liked this pillow.
Gaze upon the sky, Christmas on my mind, somewhere from a place up high above. There's a song of love.
I always get a ton of ideas just walking through the aisles, looking at everything, and I loved these Christmas trees here. I think they would look beautiful displayed around a fireplace mantle. I loved these galvanized villages as well. They would look so pretty with a flameless candle in there and displayed beautifully on a shelf or on top of a mantle. They also had a lot of very pretty prints in here and some Christmas quotes. I'm really not much for all of those wall quotes anymore like I used to be, but they had some really pretty quotes in here. And then I loved this wooden bucket. I think it would look so pretty with like a little Christmas tree placed in there. I'm kind of showing you what my idea was right here. And then they had these mini Christmas wreaths, and some of them looked so real I had to touch them, but they looked so lifelike. I loved these. They would look so pretty just with a candle sitting in the middle of them, or you can even display these on your cabinets. And again, they were all 40% off.
Above, there's a special star shining from afar, seeking us to warm up.
Okay, so I just got home and I'm gonna share with you what I did end up buying. I didn't go crazy. I really want to go through all of my Christmas stuff first before I go shopping for anything new, and I'm going to be doing that here in probably about a week. But there are a few things that I really did absolutely love and I wanted to purchase them, so I'm just going to quickly show you what I got. First, I'm going to share with you what I got at Homegoods. I found this cute copper mug, and this was $6.99. I thought it was just super adorable. And then I found this Christmas candle, and I loved the packaging. I loved that black and white, old-fashioned, vintage look to it, and it smells really good, and it's not overpowering either. I'm really getting to where I don't like candles that are super, super strong, but this one smelled really, really good. The scent was really light. It was $7.99. And then I got another Christmas candle. I love the packaging on this one. It just looks French country and just so pretty. And this one was also lightly scented. So if you like that type of a candle, then check out these two if you see them at your Homegoods. And then I really needed another tea kettle, and I saw this one. I thought it was super cute. I love the spout on it right here. I just thought it was adorable. And this was $39, I believe. $29.99. My old one is just getting kind of chipped at the top and rusting, so I needed a new one. I was looking for a copper one, but I can't find any, and I don't want to spend a ton of money on one, so I thought this one was perfect. Okay, I did end up buying some ornaments. I am really loving this champagne color. I thought these were so pretty. I did get 2 boxes of these. They are pretty heavy, so I believe they are a thicker glass ornament, but I thought they were so pretty. They were $19.99 per box. And like I said, I did get 2. I'm gonna take one out and show you what they look like. Okay, so this is what they look like, and I love that they have that vintage glass look to them with that little added sparkle at the top. And I really love this ribbon for the top part right here. I will be adding a little hook too, because sometimes these are kind of hard to get around the branches. But I love that they put a little ribbon on here. I just thought these were so pretty. Okay, that is everything that I ended up getting at Homegoods. Now I'm going to share with you the few things that I got at Hobby Lobby. I am absolutely in love with anything flocked. I just think it looks so pretty with the decor that I have and all of the white furniture pieces, and I'm just really loving the flocked look. So I did end up getting 2 of these mini wreaths, and I am going to place these around some candles, and I just thought they would look so pretty, and they were $7.99 a piece, and then again they were 40% off of that. And then I know this isn't necessarily Christmas, but I'm going to be making some Christmas crafts, and I will be using this gold paint. I am loving the gold right now, and I'm going to incorporate a lot of gold in my decor. I just think it really looks so pretty, and I'm just loving it right now. And then I know these are stencil brushes, but that's the type of brush that I wanted to use for my project. So I did end up getting a little brush set as well. That is everything that I got, and I hope you guys all enjoyed coming along with me to the stores, and I hope it was useful if you are just curious to know what is in the stores right now. But yeah, I can't wait to start decorating. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe if you are new. And I will see you all in the next video. I hope you guys all have an amazing day. Bye.